Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So in this video I'd like to show you not only soft reset but also force restart operation, which will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. So to soft reset, you have to simply press the power button, which is right here, and the volume down button together. So the combination of keys which is connected with the screenshot, but let's press them and hold them for a while. So you will open this section and you can simply tap on restart and your device will be restarted. Also, to soft reset, you can simply unroll the upper panel with the control center and tap on this power button and we've got the same section. However, the force restart will be useful, as I said, if for some reason your device, it doesn't respond to your touches or it froze and you have no idea what to do. So again, press the power button and volume down button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. We've got this section, but let's ignore it totally and keep pressing the buttons all the time. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. Keep pressing. And we've got the developer's logo. I also felt the vibration, which means that we just forcefully restarted our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.